Hi everybody and welcome to this brand new video. So this is actually the last episode in our Python beginner tutorial series. Before getting into the video, if you have any suggestions for future tutorials or projects, just tell me in the comments down below. And before getting into the video again, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and family. So let's jump into it. So in today's video, we're going to create this project, which is a game. This is a ghost game. So let me show you how the game looks like. Right, tutorial.py. Alright, so how many doors are there? I'm gonna go with 3. Behind which door the ghost stands? Maybe 1. Yeah, your guess was correct. Your score now is 30. I'm not cheating actually, guys. Behind which door the ghost stands again? Maybe 3. Oh no, the ghost killed you. He was behind door number 2. Your final score was 30. Right. The score, I'm actually adding the score depending on the number of doors. It's the number of doors multiplied by 10. So I don't want to play again. Alright, okay, goodbye. Or maybe sometimes, if you're smart enough, you say, alright, let me choose 1. Because if there is 1 door, then it's always the correct one, right? But no, cheater. The game caught you. You're a cheater, and then you play again. If you were 1, cheater again, cheater again, cheater again. Bad on you, right? So if we choose 2, it will be actually easy, but it's not cheating, you know. Alright, so yeah, your guess was correct. Oh no, I don't wanna play. Right, so the game ends. Now let me show you how we can create all of this. Alright, so I'm gonna start from the beginning. So first of all, I'm gonna import the random library. Okay. I import the random library. It will help us to randomize the game. So we choose random doors, right? It has a bunch of functions like choosing a random element from a list or a sequence, or choosing a random integer in a range, in a given range, or a float between 0 and 1. Right, so anyway, so I'm gonna put all of our game in a play function like this, because if he wants to play again, we're just going to do a recursive stuff. We're just going to call play from inside of play. Right. So here, first of all, we're just going to print the rules, which prints welcome the ghost game. Right. The rules are easy. Right, so I'm gonna do a tab. Oh, sorry. Do a tab like this. Yeah, dash. You should guess where is the ghost. Yeah, like this. So then here our game begins. So first of all, we will set some default variables. For example, load. He didn't load, so it's false. Oh, it's false at the beginning, of course, because he didn't lose yet. And we have a replay. It will be false as well, because we don't want to replay every time. Alright, and here we're gonna do a while loop while he didn't lose. That means while he's winning every time. That means while lose is false. Yeah, because we have this not here. Alright, so while he didn't lose, we're gonna take an input, or before this, we're gonna define a correct answer. I mean the correct door, but anyway, it will be random. We will use a function from inside random dot rand integer in a range, in a given range. We have maybe from 1 up to what? So here's this question, right? So here we should define also a number door. It will be the integer value of inputs. How many doors are there? Like this. Right. And here between 1 and this number of doors. And they are both included. Right. And here we're gonna take the answer of the user. So answer is equal to integer value of the inputs where as the ghost maybe. Right, so here we're gonna compare this to answers, maybe correct answer is equal to answer. Then we're just going to print wow, you won, and print your current score is like this. And here we should add the score because we don't have a score variable. We're gonna define it here, score, and of course at the beginning it will be 0. And every time we win, we're gonna increment it. And I chose to increment by 10 multiplied by the number of doors, you know, so it's more fair. Right, and here we're just going to add the string value of score. Could use an F string or formatting, but anyway. Alright, and because it's a while loop, it will iterate another time until he choose the wrong one. So else, if it's not the one, so we're gonna print oh, you lose, you lost. Print your final score is this plus score again, just like this. But now we want to ask him if he wants to play again. So before this, we're just going to do loss, maybe lose is equal to true now. Right, so this will break out of this while loop. And here, after the while loop, we can ask him, right, so replay with an underscore, because replay is actually like this. Replay without an underscore is a boolean, but we want here an integer. Oh, maybe, oh sorry, a string to be the input of do you want to play again? Like this. If replay dot slower, because maybe he answers with uppercase or mixed uppercase and lowercase. So if it's lowercase is equal to, we're gonna also strip it from, you know, strip is just going to remove all the spaces, you know, from around the word that he inputted. Right, so if it is equal to yes, then replay is equal to true. Else replay is equal to false. Oh, sorry, false. Then if we play, then play. Alright. I hope you understand why I made here. Actually, we could actually just, reduce it and just put replay directly or something like this. But yeah. It's a safe way to do it. And here we're just gonna call our main function play. Right, so let's test it out. By tutorial.py. How many doors are there? Alright, let's make 2. Where's the ghost? Number 1. Yes, you won. Your current score is 20. Right, because it's 10 multiplied by 2, as I said. Where's the ghost? Oh, am I stupid? Oh, you lost. Trace back. Line, yeah, play. It's not injured. Oh, what the hell? I forgot this. Right. So because of this, I love using formatting using the F string. Yeah, the 1. Alright, so this is cheating. Alright, so I'm gonna develop it to catch cheaters again. Right. Yeah, 1. Oh my god. Let's play again. My fault. Yeah, maybe it's a mistake. Alright. Oh, you lost. Your final score was 60. Do you want to play again? Yes. Alright, and here again we have all the rules. Alright. If you notice here, it's a little bit, ugly. Here. There isn't any space between these two. Alright. We're gonna upgrade the game again. How many doors? Alright. So, first of all, I want to make it catch the cheaters. Alright, so yeah, number of doors. If number of the doors is equal or is less than or equal to 1, then we're just going to print caught you, cheater. Don't try to play with me, right? And then we're just simply going to call the play function. And inside of here, we're gonna do some pre-formatting here. We're just going to print, first of all, the empty one, and then we're just print a lot of hashtags multiplied by maybe 40 hashtags. Alright, and here we go. I think it would be nice now. You know what? Let me just clear this. We're just gonna tutorial. Right, so how many doors are there? 1. Calls you cheater. Oh my god, we can't play with this guy. Alright, then we're just going to choose 2, 1. Oh, you lost. Your final score. Oh, again, we should actually show the user in which door actually, what was the correct door if he loses. Right, so you lost. The ghost was behind door. This and the plus the string value of correct answer. Like this. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. 2. Yes, you won. Your current score is 20. 2 again. You won. 2. You won. Oh my god, I'm really lucky. Well, you won. Oh, we lost. Oh, you lost. The ghost was behind door 1. Your final score is 100. Do you want to play again? No, thank you. Right, so maybe we want to, if they want to play again, and display a nice goodbye. Goodbye then. Save this, run it one more time. 2. Oh, you want to play again? No, thank you. Okay, goodbye then. Thank you ghost game. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. And before leaving this video, I want you to share this video with your friends, family, and hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.